G'day, we're with Stella here out from Forest Lodge. She's showing us how the GMP 1400 works. As you can see here, we got temperature control, speed control, and your emergency stop. The machine does do a lateral fold on the bottom. Stella will show us now how she does her operations. That's coming on the bottom now, doing a lateral fold. At the moment we're putting them through from semi-dry to completed. It's taking an average of about a minute per napkin to be done and laterally folded. And this machine is utilized by Forest Lodge to do all napkins, pillowcases, as well as sheets.